Okay, my question is, well, my mom passed away 3 years ago, but before she had got sick some other years ago, she had called me in North Carolina, and she told me that, she was getting a will, but I don't know if there is a living will, and I need to know, what do I need to do in order to get the estate, the property, switched over to my name?
Okay.
If there is not a living will, what do I need to do?
If there is no will, then it's called intestate. And more than half of all Americans die intestate, so it's not uncommon. It does make things more complicated. It's not easy to do that. It's not a simple thing. But that involves going to the probate court and filing a petition to open up the estate. And it would be to get yourself or someone else in the family appointed by the probate court as the estate administrator. And so once you're appointed estate administrator, then you can go through and try to make sure that the property is divided. The problem with that is that when it's intestate, you don't have your loved one's will as a guideline. You have to go by the state law guidelines of how that property is divided. So that's why we can't emphasize enough that if you want to have this ball in front of you, in the long run, the best thing you can have is to write a will. And a lot of people listening to this and watching this are going to say, I need to write a will, because you just don't want to be in that situation where a few years after somebody's death, you're trying to figure out what to do.